Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. Scores are Munro College on 9, Jonathan Grant High on 4, as we speed into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible in 3 separate 60-second periods. Jonathan Grant High, you won the toss, elected to go first. It's time for your first minute. In the Bible, how old was Abraham when Isaac was born?
100 years.
That's right. What is the brightly colored part of a flower that attracts bees, insects, and birds? Sorry?
Petals.
That's right. Spell asterisk.
A-S-T-R-I-X.
A-S-T-E-R-I-S-K. Who was the Prime Minister of St. Lucia?
Pass.
Philippe J. Pierre. What is another name for the pouch of a kangaroo?
Marsupial.
Sorry?
Marsupial.
Again?
Marsupial.
Marsupium. Which planet is known as the Swift planet?
Mercury.
That's right. Who released the single Dance with My Father in 2003?
Adele.
Luther Vandross. In what group of the periodic table are alkaline earth metals?
Group 2.
Correct. How many prime numbers are between 120 and 140?
3.
4. In what 2003 film can you find the popular quote, "Just keep swimming"?
Finding Nemo.
Correct. Who was the first president of the United States of America?
Pass.
George Washington. Who received the men's 2022 Ballon d'Or award?
Lionel Messi.
Karim Benzema. What is the SI unit of radio? And we won't have time. Well done, Jonathan Grant, for your first minute. A little unclear on that first one, though. Munro College, not the buzzer section yet, Munro. Time for your first minute. In the Bible, how much older than Jesus was John the Baptist?
6 months.
That's right. What is another name for the stalk of a flower?
Petiole.
A peduncle. Spell miniature.
Miniature. M-I-N-I-A-T-U-R-E.
Good. Who is the premier of Bermuda?
Bermuda. E. David Burt. Good.
Edward D. Burt, judges. What is another name for a polywog, the aquatic larval stage of a frog or toad?
Tadpole.
That's right. Which planet is known as the ice giant?
Uranus.
That's correct. Which singer collaborated with Kenny Rogers for the song Islands in the Stream? That's right, in 1983. In what group of the periodic table is the nitrogen family?
5.
15. What is the HCF of 6, 72, and 120?
120. 6.
That's right. In what 2003 film can you find the popular quote, "You is kind, you is smart, you is important"?
No, S. Pass.
The Help. Who was the first U.S. president to live in the White House?
John Adams.
That's right. Who received the women's 2022 Ballon d'Or award?
Alexia Putellas.
Putellas is what I have. Alexia Putellas is her name. Well done, Munro, nonetheless, for your first minute. Jonathan Grant, we are coming back over to you now for your second minute.